our teeth our responsibility. We are the ones who destroy our teeth or save them. The most dangerous habits that destroy our teeth must be stopped immediately. It is no secret to us that depending on the state of a person's teeth, we can determine his age, his health. And some also estimate your social state according to the condition of your teeth. And the appearance and condition of our teeth depend on how we follow them and take care of them. What do we eat? What do we drink? How do we clean them? But it is often with our wrong habits and way of life that we destroy our teeth, and with age the exciter suffers from dental problems. And it is no secret to anyone that dental treatment needs a lot of time, pain, and money. Hence, it will be better to preserve teeth during our life, and this will save your money and effort and provide you with comfort above all. In this video, I will talk to you about the habits that destroy our teeth, and it is necessary to know them for everyone, regardless of age. So we can complete the video to the end together. That will be interesting and useful to you. Let's begin. By the way, our friends, do not forget to follow our channel to receive all that is new and useful to you. The first thing that damages our teeth is the wrong cleaning, and few people actually know how to clean them. Most of the people clean them wrongly, and most of those mistakes are not keeping constant schedules in cleaning them, as they must be cleaned twice a day in the morning and evening, and what is confirmed by dentists, that evening cleaning is the most important. The reason here is if we do not brush our teeth properly in the evening, or if we do not do so in the first place, all remaining food in the oral cavity during the day will begin to decompose. Here, try not to neglect to brush your teeth before bed at all. And the next mistake is the way we move the toothbrush. People usually do when brushing their teeth, moving the brush from right to left, and this is a fatal mistake and should be stopped immediately. Cleaning must be from the base of the tooth to the head of the tooth to the outside. Suppose, for example, that you are clean from right to left because with every carpet you transfer microbes and dirt from one tooth to another only. But when you move the brush from the bottom to the top towards the outside, you are working to get rid of germs and dirt. Another thing that negatively affects our teeth is the electric toothbrush if its movement is actually circular and does not provide the correct movements to clean the teeth. So it actually moves dirt and germs between the teeth. In fact, some people think that an electric toothbrush is better than a manual one, but it is not correct. And our advice to you: if you have a brush with a rotating head, dispose of it immediately. As it moves in an inappropriate manner, its force is also not sufficient to remove plaque from the teeth. Next, which are sugars. The sugars, when they meet with saliva, begin to secrete acids that negatively affect the teeth, which work to destroy the outer layers of the teeth. And here there are also the sugars most damaging to the teeth, which are fluid sugars and all kinds of sugars that stick to the teeth, which doubles their negative effect on the teeth. The advice here is to abstain from sugars, but we understand that such advice for some people is impossible, and therefore we can act here as follows. After each intake of such sugars, wash the mouth well, even if only with water. The next point is a solid and soft food, and this point is double, as there are many solid foods that pose a direct danger to the teeth, and here we mean, for example, breaking up nuts with teeth, if it is a bad habit and very harmful for some. And the other problem is completely neglecting solid food and being content with soft food. This is what causes accumulations on the teeth. And here we do not mean nuts by solid foods, but rather foods such as carrots and other useful foods. Direct and rapid temperature differences, as it is not permissible at all to eat cold foods and directly eat hot food or drinks. And that the temperature difference directly causes the outer layers of teeth to break and damage the teeth. And then eating biscuits and chips. and she mentioned separately to focus on its negative effect, as it takes a long time to break down in the mouth, which increases its negative effect. The next point is alcohol and smoking. If smoking negatively affects the color of the teeth, then alcohol affects the salivary glands and their secretion. Going forward, acids. Yes, acids are lethal to the top layer of the teeth. Here come primarily soft gas drinks, wine, and coffee. With regard to soft drinks, they negatively affect the calcium stores in the body because they contain phosphorus acid. And you may have noticed when you drank soft gas drinks in a somewhat large quantity. So there is a direct effect on the teeth if their sound changes when colliding with each other, and their sensitivity increases. Now we know that this effect is not by chance that it is a soft gas drinks. Hence, acids negatively affect the teeth directly, but acids are not limited to these foods only, may come from foods that are also classified as beneficial, such as fruits and citrus fruits. And here we do not call you to stop these foods, but you must know the limits of everything and not to overeat. Moreover, don't forget to wash teeth after them. Vitamins and minerals, and for the health of any person in general and his teeth in particular. It is necessary to eat the required quantities of vitamins and minerals necessary to nourish the body, such as fluorine, calcium, and vitamin D. And the body's need for vitamin D is to increase the body's ability to absorb calcium, and the body can increase calcium through milk products. And fluoride can be supplied to the body from tea, nuts, and vegetables. The last point that destroys our teeth, which is the examinations made by a dentist. Because the follow-up of the dentist makes us happy to discover dental problems in the early stages. And this makes it easier for us to treat them in a less harmful and costly manner because tooth decay quickly moves from one tooth to another, and with time, the dental condition will worsen, and here, we recommend a regular visit to the dentist to take the necessary measures for your teeth directly and without delay. Certainly, we can be neglecting the dentist's visit, but in the end, we will go with a bigger problem and a more difficult solution, and in return, we will make our lives easier with simple steps.